Good morning, sir. Good morning, my dear students. My name is Dr. D. Sridhar. Today, our topic understanding political theory, meaning and nature of the scope of political science. Now, political science deal with the in other social sciences. In the first one, introduction, meaning of the political science, definition of the political science, and history of the political science. Now, 4 points today discussion in our class. First one, introduction. Introduction in the political science and political theory. Better life, group of the people, understanding individual and the society. In the introduction, the first part, the introduction of the political science, better life of the human being and the society, the common people, and the group of the people, group of the caste, community, and the territory. The discussion of the political science. Political science is not study of the only for the in political science. In the other social sciences, is also focus of political science. Political science is the allied subject of the social science. Not a one of the political science in the one social science subject. In the other social science subject of in economics, public administration, and history, and sociology, and philosophy. These all social sciences one of the group of the in family of the social sciences. In the one is also political science, in the power, authority, and domination. In the political science it means state and society and government. In the group of people, in the families, and meaning of the political science. Meaning of the political science in city, police, and city state. State of the government and the state. Meaning of the political science. Policies. Police, city state, the Greek is city state, and the state is mean government. Government is mean the people. The people is also elected the in group of some people, the legislatives and the member of parliament in 5 years. The two of in the voting. And next meaning this is also in city state. City is mean city and state. This is two words is also police. In word, Greek word. This word is also introduced in the Greek word. And state and government. And the people, group of the people. The individual people and group of the people. And definition of the political science. So many thinkers is also definition of the political science. But our class discussion the political philosophers, in the thinkers J.W. Garner and Paul James. Paul James and J.W. Garner, the European Greek philosophers and Greek political thinkers, the J.W. Garner, the start with the political science, end in the end of the state. Start the political science, end of the state. And next one, Paul James. Political science is also one of the main in the what say Paul James. Paul James is also in explain the in definition. Political science is one of the in subject of in social sciences, and this subject is also in main base of the in ruling of the state and the other state country to other countries, international relations. And Paul James, this definition explains the Paul James. And next, history of the political science. Greek philosophers, Socrates, in the history of the political science. In the 3rd century and 4th century, history of the political science. Greek philosophers, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. 3 political thinkers are also explained by the history of the political science. The previous, the Socrates, one of the teacher, traveling teacher, in the explain the political science, in the Greek, Athens, Rome, Sparta. This European city states. And next to Plato. Plato was the teacher of student of the Socrates. And next to all other is also philosopher Aristotle, the father of the political science. Aristotle is also in student of the Plato. 3 thinkers is also Western political thinker, Greek philosophers and Western political thinkers. Now is also this is very important of the in study of the political science, history of the political science. This base is also in present in the scenario in the century 21st century, in the previous is also in 3rd century to 21st century. The study of the political science and the political theory and important of the in overall in the spread of the in other countries. Now present is also in political science deal with the other social sciences, economics and public administration, history and sociology. This is related of the allied subject related of the in other social sciences and philosophy and sociology. Philosophy and sociology. This fourth subject is also in discussion of the political science in other social sciences. In the better society, better life, and the common people, all is also in middle class people. All people is also in taking the power, authority. What is the main concept of the political science? The power, authority, the ruling of the state, ruling of the country, and is provide the in common people in the food, shelter, cloth. This is primary need of the common people. This base is also form of the in government, state, city, state, in government. This city, state, government is also main beneficiary of the people. Beneficiary of the people. People is also in elected in choose and selected the in MLA and MPs. Now present. The before is also only for the ruling of the one person. The king, monarchy, anarchy. The 3rd century and 4th century, the Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. This thinker is also revelation of the Greek and Rome, ethics, Sparta, city states. In the previous, in the 3rd century and 3rd century to in 16th century or 17th century. This is also one of the important of the scope of the political science and meaning of the political science. Now, next class is also discussion to Western political thinkers and Indian political thinkers. Next class is also in elaboration is also discussion for you. Right, thank you.